Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you quickly how to create an ebook repurposing content that you've already created by using ChatGPT to create the strategy and then moving that document into Claude for matching tone and inflection so that you can output marketing copy that is strategically aligned with your business operations very rapidly. It'll take me about 20 minutes or less. Alright, so we are going to create the ebook with ChatGPT and Claude. So first off, I want to go into ChatGPT and find the context of the customer. So we're going to go to, sometimes ChatGPT doesn't want to open this little project area, so if it does not open it. Alright, so once we have the client's project open, we're going to make sure that there's some project files that include the customer's information. And now we want to update this or upload this. And now we want to upload this ebook content. So we're repurposing effectively a white paper, another document that's pretty extensive. And so I need to follow this prompting style. So first is you are a copywriter for a business coach, specifically this client, beta. We need to create a lead magnet for an ebook repurposed based on this content. Do not create the content. I just need a strategic outline and the marketing copy for the lead magnet for people to be able to provide their email in exchange for the ebook. And now I want to copy a little bit of context from when we provided this information to the customer. So I have this other document which ChatGPT helped out to provide, and we have a little ebook in here. I just want to make sure that this well-being playbook is the same, because this one's talking about employee engagement. So it's not going to be helpful if I paste this content, because it's not going to be on the same context of what I have in the document provided by the client. And then I want to ask me clarifying questions until you are 99% sure that you have completed the task successfully. I often get asked why 99%, why not 100%? The reason is because you don't want to put all of your eggs into one basket. So I give people the analogy of, if you have a child, they might say they're 100% sure about something, but you know better. You know that they are not 100%. They're maybe doubting themselves, or they don't have the entire context of the knowledge. So we want to give the bot the potential to have the benefit of the doubt, to give back to me some questions that will help refine the prompt and then provide the final output. So now we talk about output, and I want to make sure that I had here your output should be a strategic, I already have that here, strategic outline. So I don't need to include that. So we're going to just run that prompt as is. So it has three different pieces of information. I have role, I have context, and I have ask me clarifying questions, and four, I have the instructions that are listed here. So target audience for the ebook. Now I want to reference the business model that we have on file for the client. Make this a little bit bigger. So when I'm responding to ChatGPT here, I want to just use the same numbering system as ChatGPT did, and I can use simple answers. So I'm saying lead with data because that's more important to the HR professional. Like we want to look at the bottom line. So HR professionals and organizational decision makers. But I don't want to lose her tone in that. I'm going with more professional rather than emotional in general with this client because she has a tendency to extrapolate a lot of really wordy messages, and we want to recognize that the business owner that she is trying to sell to is somebody with a little bit of time, and so we need to deliver facts very quickly. So once we got the questions answered, make sure I didn't miss any here. So I've got all of the strategy now from ChatGPT. Now I want to use Claude to match my tone and inflection. So we're gonna grab this project, which has preloaded a lot of content here, and I'm just going to attach that same document. Let me see if it's already connected. So I'm saying based on the attached 2025, and I'm using the little button, the little apostrophe that's next to the number 1 key to add this kind of code delineator. So 2025 employee engagement ebook content. So I'm trying to use that exactly as it's written. Create an ebook matching the tone of the other attached documents, but aligned with the following outline. And now all I'm doing is copying this entire output here, pasting that there. I don't need to correct anything because the prompt was pretty strategic. And now I'm going to open up my client's deliverable folder, create a new one for March. If you're doing this, maybe you want to put it in to a folder that is like more private first. So I want to put it in a private one, but I want to build it based on my branded documents. So we're going to do it from template here. If your workspace is different, then you might need to log into a different account here to get that same template. So we can do new from template here, but afterward we would need to move it. And so I'm just going to create this template here. It also is in our templates shared drive. And once I have that template ready, just going to erase the things that I don't need here. And document is just now finishing. So I can copy this. Actually, it might not be done yet. Yeah. Copy contents. Go to my document, paste all those in. I'm not doing Command Shift V or Control Shift V. I'm doing Command V so that it maintains the formatting of the document. And then we're just going to replace these. Now I'm using Command Shift V to paste so that I match the style. Now I can see it's 8 pages long, and just rename it here, and we'll move it to the deliverables folder under the appropriate month, and it's ready for delivery. The other area here that I would probably want to add is there's a list in ChatGPT of some messaging here that's going to be important for outside of the ebook, and so I want to just put that somewhere. So I'm going to put it in here, and now we're done. So there you have it. That only took me 13 minutes. Stay tuned for more videos, more tutorials, and leave a comment in the box below if you have any questions on how you can leverage this for your current operations. I'm happy to do a customized video for you all. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll catch you later.